Hello friends, today we learn how to clean me if we have two files which is 4 MB and 8 MB. To clean me we have to combine both files and then we try to clean this manually, not automatically. It's manual process. Let's see. First file LBE and go to me support tools and then select file. First we check 4 MB. Here me version is nothing showed here, nothing. That means this file does not contain any me region. And next open the 8 MB file. Yes, it shows the me region, something 9.5.62 something is there, but we don't try to clean this directly. First we have to combine both files and then try to clean it manually with this help of this manual me. Okay, first we combine both files. Go to extra BIOS utilities, file. Here is three menus are there: file splitter, combine files, create file. Go to combine files and select first file. Open. First we select 4 MB. See here in hex editor, hex viewer, it shows something is the data is there, but this is not the proper header of the Intel BIOS file. Proper header of the Intel BIOS file is something is .x something is there. First, then rest data is there. So first we select 4 MB, so there is no proper Intel header. So select 8 MB file. Yes, this is the proper header of the Intel file. Okay, so select second file as 4 MB. 4 MB as a second file. Okay, now combine. It asks for a name, so we give 12 MB dot bin. Save. Okay, we got 12 MB file. Now open ME support tools, open file, select 12 MB. Now click analyze. Okay, it shows some me region 9.5.62.3002 something is there, some. Okay, there is no error. Now we select this me file and go to manual. Here is the me version 9.5, so we select Intel ME system tools 9.5. double click it. Some error is showing, no issue. Okay, file, open, select here XML files is all files, select 12 MB. Now go to build settings, remove tick here, uncheck here, generate intermediate files, build files, uncheck. Okay, file, save as, give some name or leave it untitled, save. Now go to that working folder. Here we have a spare mu.bin which is copied from here. Here this is copied as a spare mu.bin automatically. So we select this file, click copy, go to 12 MB file folder, decomp folder, and paste it here. Now rename this, select this ME region file, name, copy, and delete this. Now rename spare me.bin and paste here. Okay, now open FATC tool and file, open, select this untitled. Now click build and build image. Here it asks for build yes or no. Click yes. It shows done. Check. Here we got 3 files, which is outimage.bin, which is 12 MB, and outimage1.bin, which is 8 MB, and outimage2.bin, which is 4 MB. Now check in the folder LB cleared file, open it. We have got these files, 3 files, which is 8 MB, 4 MB, and 2 MB, sorry 12 MB. Copy these 2 files, paste it here. First file is 8 MB, so rename this. Copy, rename, paste, underscore clean ME, and then select dump 32.4 MB underscore 4 MB, copy and rename this underscore clean ME. That's it. Just remove all the files. Okay, leave these 4 files and delete all. These both files are clean. Okay, thank you very much.